What is that?
Stop, man. What are you doing?
Your own punches, dude.
Don't, Greg. Don't.
Put that spray shit away, man.
You better watch out, man. You better watch out. Give me that. Let me have that.
I don't think so.
Here, come out. You want it?
I do want.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
Jay, grab him. Ow! Oh, man.
Bitch.
Wow.
Now I'm gonna shave your... I'm gonna shave your beard right now. Oh, you...
Oh shit.
He's got long ass arms. Ah!
Holy shit.
Okay, Greg, I'm not gonna shave you. But you see how that feels? You don't want that to be
It's
done
not
to you.
nice, you're right.
Exactly.